Picking up plumbing supplies. I just want to show the supplies. I said I just want to show the supplies.
Oh, okay. All right.
I don't know if you want to be on or not.
No, you're good.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
We're just here with the plumber guys.
Yeah, we just here, to get the stuff right here.
Okay. She got a total already?
Yeah.
What was it? Let me just slow this down. We're walking to see the toilet. 2 types of toilet, guys.
This one, water heater?
No, I think we have a water heater.
Like, can you come in if you want
Yeah.
to do it?
Sure, I can come. Gotta be careful though, but I can come. I'm going inside here to look at the toilet, guys. Okay. Okay.
I give them original siphon.
No. This is the imitate toilet type, and this one is the Swedish toilet type. So, but this one I recommend that we go for this one.
This is big one.
Yeah, that looks small.
Yeah, we like this one. We can use this one for the outside toilet.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
we do.
Yeah.
And how much is this?
This is 4,500. I give you 4,250 for you.
4,000 even.
Yeah, come down.
How many one?
Right now, one.
One.
Okay, no problem. I can give you.
Yes.
So this one.
And that's it. That's all you need for the day.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get that in so we don't have to come back. I am going to step out because I don't want to fall, guys. There's a lot of stuff in here. And I've got to work on some bending wire, whatever you call it. All right. Okay. So I made it. Would the seat be with it? The seat, or I have to buy that?
We have they're both mine.
It's in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Live a completely money can you?
Living yeneen bagage yi man connector bi ak flexible ak for them.
Okay. And you probably can go ahead and put it right on the truck, right?
Okay. Live in mu si biir fii wala?
Siphon bi
Waaw.
Okay, everything is in there. It's a little chip there.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's a little chip.
Telescope bu ñu la wax. Kuy fàtte waaye telescope bu ñu la wax fàtte.
Waaw non yooyu na la ko. Ak fan connector ni ak lii yëpp.
I don't want to come back, so I'm gonna try to get as much as I can It was unexpected that I was going to be fine, but I guess I should have bought it a little earlier. So that's what we're doing. Get everything as much as I can so he doesn't have to come back tomorrow. We'll get the rest of the toilet stuff for tomorrow. I mean, outside later, because the bathroom isn't even finished. So I think that works out fine.
Yeah. Are we gonna wait for next time for the basin, or because the basin too will be inside?
What is a basin? The sink.
No, you have the sink, like the sink
For the
there.
toilet. Sink for the toilet.
For the bathroom,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
How much is that one?
With mixer,
With the mixer, yeah. Quote unquote.
2,800.
If you can get it, that's
Yeah.
fine. I just need to know the total.
The total.
So, cause what I know what I got in here.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Alright.
I already know that one, so right now we're good. That's why I said let's get
Okay,
this stuff.
Bini, living in Nyaga. Wow.
I think it's good, but I just want to know.
Wow.
That sink, this, and this basin, right?
Yeah.
I give you that one 4,800.
The sink, yes.
Yeah.
So toilet be.
This I give you 4,000. And basin.
Yes.
And the basin.
And did he forget the shower?
11,600.
You get the shower?
With shower?
Yeah.
The one we picked out.
So
I don't know what you had on them.
It's 14,100.
14 and 12, that's good. Okay, we get it out.
we get it out.
Yeah. So we don't have to come back. And I'm gonna move some stuff on the truck, so you can go ahead and put it on, can't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go and move some stuff on this truck. We're here in Sukuta, and we're almost ready to go. We're almost finished, guys. Okay, let's move some things around, and I will be back. Well, I guess it turned out that I had enough in my purse to get it out. Hopefully it all works out. Thanks for the Mendinka family. He's helping me out because Mr. Rick is at the land about now. He left me. He had to go pick up some other people. And I had to pick up the ladies for the garden. They're in the truck already. And we're heading that way as soon as we pick up these supplies that we need. Go in here and pay the guy, and then we're off and running, guys. So give me enough chance, I'll be right back at you. We need some hoses here, I guess. 50 meters of it. Shower. We're on our way, guys. Bathroom will be working very soon. So the Miss Joy, Concept Joy, and Grace. We will have a bath there once you guys come next time. And we will be back. We probably want to raise it before putting that in. It's going to be hard. You see the tailgate? Let's get that up first. So it won't be too heavy. I get you. Raise up.
Oh, you want to close that?
Yeah, because if we don't, it's going to be too much on us. Okay. Would that work? Would it work? We're going to have a strap to tie it down.
Safe. Yeah, English. Be the factories.
Look, the straps I think is in here. The big strap.
Okay, open.
Over there. Okay, I managed to make it to bag. I just saw them too. So those are the things right there. Yeah, I knew this was what it was. Okay.
So those are your ladies, sweet mama?
Those are your ladies too.
Why they all dressed up like they're going to
You're going to dig some dirt.
Okay.
The plumbing. So I went and got most of the stuff. I think the rest is just the outside toilet. I didn't get those because I said I didn't know if I had enough, but I did end up having enough. But still, it was full.
The truck?
Because I ain't gonna say too much, but you know, I did manage to break one of those.
You break it?
Well, I was driving it broke. I guess the way we had it, I didn't know we were getting that. That's why.
Don't we got some more?
Do we?
Back there?
I don't know.
That guy got some real big ones.
Maybe he can use them. I think he got some more of these somewhere in the trailer.
The trailer, we got more. You got more? I think
He
maybe
said, I don't know.
Okay.
If you can use it, we'll get it. If not, we just replace it.
So what you women doing?
What is that?
My bread, you want the rest of it?
What you got them doing?
Who?
Yeah, they're gonna water that?
We can ask them.
Oh, I don't know. I wasn't here, so I
Cause
don't
it
know.
look like they on breakfast break now.
You ain't put your time in yet.
That was you.
I wasn't here yesterday, so I don't know.
It don't matter. You get here now.
You better quit acting playing games.
I ain't
They ain't
playing.
gonna say she can say. Did Ricky get the two of them? Like, I don't know what you're talking about.
It was up there.
Well,
they
see,
said
I
pick it up
don't
at
know.
11.
I don't know what's going on.
AB.
You didn't tell me.
Yeah, I
So.
did tell you.
What about this?
When you tell me, he's gonna tell you where to put it. I don't know
You're
where.
not gonna use it now. It goes.
He said I leave it here for now.
Leave it there for now. Well, okay, if that's the case, put it in there out the way.
He going to eat breakfast too.
Yeah, they all just
Gambian custom.
got breakfast. It's 11 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock. Gambian custom. You know what I'm saying?
Who dogs? What y'all doing here? My dogs ain't here.
What?
Who's
The
dog?
boss. The boss.
Your dog? Oh, they following you to work, huh?
Yeah. Oh, over there, baby, we saw a snake.
A big one?
Over there by where the van at, they ran up the hill.
A big one?
It was long, it wasn't big though.
Trying to get away, huh?
Eunice said, "You're eating bread too." I said, "I'm the boss."
Hi, how are you? That's what he said.
Yeah, he said, "They're eating bread," but I was like, "Who? You're not paying me. I'm paying you."
Good example, that's all.
Gambian custom.
Good example.
I just say Gambian
Good
custom.
example.
Whatever, then.
You could ate that bread in the car.
Huh? Now when I gotta run around and make stuff happen because somebody took off yesterday.
What you making happen? You just said your girl, they just got here. So that's the way he walk off when he can't, when you know that he ain't doing right, guys. He walks off. Oh, well, let's go see what I got to do.
Get your concrete with it? Your cement? Huh? How many you need? One. Just take one. No, you told me you needed 10. You told me you needed 10. This your 10. K-Ball pushing the hell out that sand. Nobody push sand like K-Ball. I mean, he does a good job. A full 8-9 hours.
Oh, push your sand, huh?
Yep.
Doug said they took down the pole.
Y'all need drinking water too? Yeah. Where's your water?
Yeah, the boy takes something there.
Oh, he took it already? Okay, that's good then. This for the ladies then, the gardeners.
Thank you. Jarama. What does it mean? What it means?
I can't stand these damn 2 bars.
I mean, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, what
You're
do you mean?
welcome.
That mean I can't stand damn 2 bars.
Only you the 2-ball.
I'm just
I guess
saying.
they can't stand you because I'm not a 2-ball.
Where your women don't sleep? Mama, go get the women.
Your daughter's at home.
Bugging it. Ooh, calling me every 5 minutes.
Who, Kiki? What you want?
Yeah.
Well, what you call it there? I think they took the pole, Doug say.
They left.
They finished?
Kiki said they coming back. Let me feed
Right,
you.
they took the pole. Something broke.
She didn't tell me they took the pole. She just said they left and they was
Doug
coming back.
said he took the pole. They got to go get it well.
You know, she ain't paying attention as usual.
Morning.
How are you, K-Vi?
Alright.
Good. Hi, how are you? The plumber guy is here. He's digging, making a trench for the pipe. A lot of work, manual work. Whoa. Guess I'll go see the ladies over here in the garden.
The water here there is drinkable, huh?
In the buckets? Yes, I think so.
You think so or you sure?
I'm not sure. I know this one is, but
Alright.
I know nothing about that one. You need water?
Yeah.
I'll bring you one. I'll be back.
Hey, boy, you driving me crazy.
Not, you guys are not on. The face not on, okay? A lot of hard work. Wow. So when you're doing this, what are you doing? What you doing? Just breaking it up?
Yes, we are breaking this one.
Oh, wow. Here's some water in the well, guys. A lot of water. And this is the clay again, guys, that's coming out of there. I don't know. Everybody keeps saying bentonite clay. I don't know. I don't know nothing about it, but I've seen bentonite clay that we bought at the store. I don't know if this is the same thing. But that's what it is. I really want to know. Let's just go see. Smells like clay, but I don't know.
Do you see water from there?
It's from there?
And that down there.
Oh, it went down there?
If you see your guy,
Yeah, right here? Yeah. Wow. So not far to go then, huh? Not too more far.
yeah, not more far. Not legal more, right?
Yeah.
When you like the most, when you put them inside, you see when I dig more, you see more water come out.
Yes. And it seems like this one is faster than what is down there. That's a lot of water.
So
I know.
yeah.
I'm gonna leave you guys to work. I'll be back later. All right, bye-bye. Ladies working from over there, breaking up the clumps and whatever the good stuff that they do. You know me, from America, I don't know too much about it, but I will learn. I'm gonna get in there real soon, guys. Don't worry. But until then, I'm gonna walk over here. Got something growing here. I don't know what it is, but it's growing. They'll tell us, but I don't know what it is. Look like some kind of lime. Let's see. I don't know. Can't tell. They planted something in there, but it's growing. And Pops is watering. Their so-called nursery, I guess. Ooh, my knee hurt. Let's go see what's in this trailer, guys. My nursery, so-called nursery, got some wrong. Hallelujah. And thanks to my sister, Sandra, the pigeon peas are starting to come in. There's a little growth right there. But the others hadn't, but they're coming. Hopefully real soon. We shall see. That's what he's saying on the road today, guys. On this road right here, all the way up to the entrance. I'll be back.